Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is information about 2024 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT Edition. Before continue, please like, share and subscribe. The 2024 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT Edition is hot with more speed and distinctive features on this model. In addition, the 2024 Toyota Supra added a manual transmission, making its groundbreaking change to this car favorite. Toyota introduces the 2024 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT Edition and discuss the features you can look forward to on this exclusive model. It comes in two exclusive colors, matte white and see you later gray, with unique forged 19-inch frozen gunmetal gray wheels, exclusive cognac leather trimmed seats, a red Supra badge, and red strut tower braces. Exclusive features also, limited to 500 units, offered with an intelligent manual transmission, IMT, 19-in. Frozen gunmetal gray forged aluminum wheels with Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires, 12-speaker JBL HiFi surround sound system, Brembo 4-piston fixed caliper disc brakes and the powerful performance of this exclusive Toyota model. The performance of this model can be attributed to its powerful 3.0L twin-scroll single-turbo DOHC 24-valve inline-six cylinder engine. The body weight went down 84.4 pounds from the last model, making it way more lightweight with more ability for speed. The Toyota's intelligent manual transmission, IMT, in the 2024 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT Edition 0-60 is a high-tech software that prioritizes performance by optimizing engine torque when you press and release the clutch pedal during upshifts. The A91-MT Edition puts out 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque at your fingertips. In addition, GR Supra offers normal and sport driving modes. The versatility of both gives drivers a normal mode to get them to their daily commutes with an effortlessly smooth ride. The aerodynamics of the 2024 Supra, its high quality make can be attributed to the lightweight and strength of carbon fiber throughout the vehicle. The 2024 Toyota GR Supra gets a significant weight decrease with more mobility to move through the fast lanes. The balanced design gives drivers the perfect weight balance throughout the body design. The aerodynamics of the 2024 Toyota GR Supra A91-MT Edition gives a crafted flat undercover engineered to help reduce aerodynamic lift. The electronically controlled rear differential gives for maximum stability and performance. The sensors detect wheel speed, engine RPM, yaw rate, brake pressure, throttle opening angle and steering angle information and send this data to the main processor. Technology that stands out, the 2024 Toyota Supra isn't just known for its top-notch performance.